Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Gyananjali Vidyapith, standard 4th. Standard 5th. So, students, today we'll start revision unit number 5th. In that revision, we'll start multiplication in the fraction. Multiplication is the fractions. So, in that, question number first is, what was the question number 1? Find the multiplication of the given number. So, in that 4, 12, 16, 20, 24. Then find the multiplication of the 9. So in that 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Find the multiplication of the 12. So in that 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. 70 is a 34, 51, 68, 85, 102. 14 and that 18, 120, 160, 200, 240. Now look at this question number first and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start second question. Find all the factors of the following numbers. Find all the factors of the following numbers. So in that, first one is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. 42 is there. So in that 1, 2, 3, 40, 21, 42. 72 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 80, 24, 36, 72. 63 is there. 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 63. 90 is there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45, 30, 30. Now look at this question everyone and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now next one question. Find the missing multiplication of the given number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. 8 is there, so in that 8, 60, 24, 32, 40 and 48. 11 is there, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. 18 is there, 18, 36, 42, 72, 90. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next one. Find the missing factors of the given number. 10 the factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. 25 factors are 1, 2 and 25. 36 factors of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 18. 36. Factor of 75 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Now look at this question everyone and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet number 13. Now students, worksheet number 13, highest common factors, HCF. Highest common factors, HCF. The HCF of highest common factors, two numbers is the largest numbers that divide both the number equally. For example, step number 1, list all the factors of the first number 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Step number 2, factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 6, 9 and 18. Step number 3, circle all the numbers are the common. So in that 12 and 18, so common number as 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of the 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Factor of the 8 is a 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 18. Factors of HCF is equal to 6. The largest number, that is a circle. Now look at this example everyone and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. Okay students, so I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start find the HCF of the following numbers using listening method. Okay, so in that 6 and 8 is there, so factor of the 6 1, 2, 3, 6. Factor number 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. HCF is equal to 2. HCF is equal to 2. Now next one question. that is the 15 and 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factor of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15. HCF is equal to 5. HCF is equal to 5. 18 and 24. Factor of the 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factor of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. HCF is equal to 6. Factor of 30, 20 and 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 20. That is a factor of 20. Factors of the 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. HCF is equal to 10. 24 and 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 32. This is a factor, highest common factors. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Look at this everyone and complete your work. I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete it. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Here you have to find the HCF, that means two numbers are there. Find the multiplication of that number and highest common factors you have to find and write the HCF. For example, 6 and 8 is there, so in that highest common factors is that factors is repeated, 2 is there, so we have to write here 2, HCF of 2. Then factors of 10 is there, so we have to write the multiplication of that thing. So 5 is there, 15 in that 5 is there, so highest common factor is 5. Highest common factor is a 5. Like that we have to find the highest common factors. Okay. Okay, now the HCF of 12 and 18 using the listening method. So in that list of all the factors of the first number is a 12. In that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, then list of all the factors of the second number. So all the factors of the second number 18 is there. So in that 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9 and 18. Then circle the numbers that are common numbers पे हम circle करेंगे. So in that common numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 6 is there. Now find the largest number which is the circle. So largest number is a 6. Largest number is a 6. So HCF is equal to 6. HCF is equal to 6. Got it everyone? Now we'll start what was the common factors. 6 girls is there, 10 boys are there. Okay, so we have to make team. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? We have to make one team. In that 6 girls, in how many different way can we group 6 girls? How many different way? In the other words, what are the factors of 6? ठीक है? So in that we have to divide one team of वन टीम ऑफ 6 गर्ल, 6 गर्ल्स को हम 1 टीम में भी रख सकते हैं. 2 टीम ऑफ द 3 गर्ल्स, हम 2 टीम बना के 3 की पेज में भी गर्ल्स को रख सकते हैं. 3 टीम्स इन द 2 गर्ल्स, नाउ 3 टीम्स बनाएंगे और 2 गर्ल्स को रखेंगे. So factor of the 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor number 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Got it? Now boys are there. 10 boys are there. In how many different way to we group 10 boys in the words what are the factors of 10? So in that there is a one team of 1 boys. So there is a one team is there. We have to divide 2 team of 5 boys, 2 team of 5 boys. So in that we have to divide that boys in the 2 teams. 5 boys are there, 5 teams of the 2 boys each. So 5 teams है हमें बनानी है. So every सभी में कितना ये रहेगा, 2 boys are there, 2 2 2 2 and 2. So 5 teams in the each box, 2 boys are there. Okay, so factor of the 10s are 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now 6 boys and 6 girls are there. So what is the school wanted to make the max number? So that max number are, we have to combine boys and girls teams, or in the order walls we have to find the common factors. नाउ अभी हम क्या करेंगे, गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज की टीम को हम एक कर देंगे एंड विल फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स. सो इन दैट 1 टीम 6 गर्ल्स, 2 टीम 3 गर्ल्स, 3 टीम 2 गर्ल्स. सेम लाइक दैट 1 टीम 10 बॉयज, 2 टीम्स 5 बॉयज, 5 टीम्स 2 बॉयज. सो इन दैट 1 team 6 girls, 1 team 10 boys, 2 team of 3 girls, 5 teams of 2 teams of 5 boys, 3 teams of 2 girls, 5 teams of 2 girls. The common factor of 6 and 10s are is equal to 1, 2. So we can make one mixed team or 2 mixed items. Got it? Now here one mixed teams is there, 16, 6 girls and 10 boys. 6 girls and 10 boys are there. In that team 1, 3 girls and 5 boys. Team 2, 3 girls and 5 boys. Then one team common factors of 6 and 12. So in that 1 and 2 is there. So one in a 1 there is a final statement is a 1 and the second one 2 is there. So in that, in the 2 we have to write the table number 2, either then we have to identify the peoples and show it to them. Okay everyone, now students will start highest common factors. So in that find the HCF of the 12 and 18 prime factors. So here we have to find the steps, products of least time factors. So in that 12 is equal to 2 into 3. Then step 3, we write the same second number as the products of the itself. So in that there is the 18 is there. So 2, 3 and 3 common factors of then write down the common factors of 2, 2, 3 and 3. So step number 4 is multiply the common factors in the get the HCF. HCF is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 6. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your rough book. So you have to do the more practice. आप लोगों की more practice भी हो जाएगी, ठीक है? So you have to write in your rough book first. After that you have to show here. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 12 and 13. Worksheet number 12 and 13 you have to complete it, and before 3 o'clock you have to send it in a WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group में आप लोगों को before 3 o'clock के वर्कशीट और होमवर्क है वो आप लोगों को सेंड करना है. ठीक है एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे. आई होप योर वर्क इज डन. यू हैव टू एंजॉय अ लॉट हियर. Now your turn is, students, you have to complete your work, and before 3 o'clock you have to send it to us. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.